Let's go over how to install your DuroMax canopy on your inverter generator.
Start by grabbing your angle braces. Install the gator grommets onto the pins of each angle brace. This will help stabilize your frame. Do this for all 4 braces. Next, take your strap and thread it straight through all 4 angle braces. Ensure the center section of each brace faces forward on the strap. Wrap the strap around your generator and feed it through the buckle slot. Tighten it loosely to allow adjustment of the angle braces around the corners. Before tightening fully, make sure the strap is not positioned in front of the exhaust. Once everything is in position, pull the strap snug to lock the braces in place. Now, slide your extender arms into each of the 4 angle braces. Adjust them according to the dimensions of your inverter generator. Next, grab your center connector and begin installing the frame rods. Insert each frame rod into the center connector first, then insert it into the extender arm one by one. This step-by-step approach helps prevent snapping and keeps the rods from breaking. Make sure the connector pin is facing up and the long side of the rod aligns with the long side of your generator frame. Push each rod all the way in so they're fully seated. Now drape your GenTent canopy over the frame. Ensure the canopy sits above the exhaust area and does not cover it. This prevents heat damage and ensures safe operation. Attach the all-weather elastics under the clamp between the extender arm and angle brace on all 4 sides. Finally, expose the Velcro strap and install the electrical apron that covers and protects your generator's power panel from the elements. And that's it. Quick, easy, and storm ready.